This is the apparatus to pull the knees back, and that side up there is where you run the foot pedal with, and when you put the foot pedal lift, it lifts it up, and this one is supposed to just follow in suit, but I'm having a hard time getting it to lift up. And so what I'm thinking, you see the angle I've got it here being bottomed out. I need to change this so the angle is more like this, and then when I pull on the foot pedal over there, it will already be going up a little bit and it'll keep moving, I think is what I need to do. And so you can see that I've had it up here where it was rubbing a little bit, and my board is just still too tall. So what I'm going to do is pull this board off, and then I'm going to cut like a 1/2 inch. I'll take it in on the bandsaw and cut it like a 1/2 inch off of it, and then that'll give me more room to set this on more of an angle, and I think that'll solve my problem. Got this all set up here. Okay, I'll go get that thing put back on, and I'm ready to try cutting again. Okay, I've got this together now, and I'm ready to try it, but you can see that it's all moving up and down like it's supposed to. That's the reason the other day I couldn't get the knees to go back, but it's working now, so ready to fire this thing up again and give it another try at cutting. Okay, pretty cumbersome because number one, I don't know how to run it, and number two, I still got a lot of work to do to get it honed in here. Anyway, I have cut two roughly 4x4s. I need them for a project in the goat barn to make another feeder. So that's what I started out with here, but dang, pretty awesome to start producing what I need to do. Thanks for watching.